What if
we could transform our community?
Through the power of reading,
it's possible.
and even more so in business
and community leaders.
Join with school kids
to Read It Wichita.
Opportunities are endless for a child that is empowered to read. Children who are proficient readers by the end of 3rd grade are more likely to graduate from high school and to be economically successful in adulthood. However, many children are lacking the essential skills for success in school and life. Through Read It Wichita, the community will join together with the simple act of reading while raising vital funds to address the issue of childhood illiteracy in our city and state. Join us April 13th through the 30th by posting your favorite children's book on social media with the hashtag #ReadItWichita. Read that book to a child and donate to help us continue the work. For more information, visit Storytime Village on Facebook or StorytimeVillage.org. Together, we can change Wichita for future generations. So let's
Read It Wichita!